the Constitution provides for that word forthwith, and forthwith is
It means immediately.
immediately shall act on it. So siguro let others decide and analyze the exact meaning of forthwith, if it is really immediately. Siguro they can look at the debates during the Constitutional Commission days as to what the meaning of forthwith is. So siguro yung nagsasalita tungkol doon, siguro siya yun yung mag-explain. Tsaka siguro baka may mag-question sa Supreme Court kung ano man yung ibig sabihin ng forthwith, declaratory relief or what. So hindi na sa akin yun. Siguro kung sabihin ng Supreme Court na forthwith should be immediate, there will be jurisdictional issues. So if it is done past the forthwith clause days, perhaps a matter can be raised that the impeachment court no longer has jurisdiction. Yung right to a speedy trial should be read together. When will the constitutional clock start ticking? Tick, 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 tick.
So kailan talaga, sir? Kailan?
Nasa Constitution lahat yan eh.
Forthwith nga.
Upon filing, it starts ticking upon referral.